Welcome to BMW Group Plant Leipzig, the birthplace of the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe's second generation. In this video, we're diving into the high-tech body shop where every BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe begins its journey. This model, alongside the BMW 1 Series, BMW 2 Series Active Tourer, and the Mini Countryman, comes to life in a plant known for producing up to 1,300 vehicles daily. What's impressive? These diverse models, with various drive options, are all crafted on a single, flexible production line, underscoring Leipzig's adaptability in advanced manufacturing processes. Now, a bit of history. 5 years ago, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe hit the market as BMW's premium compact, adding a luxury feel to the classic sedan formula. Production initially started on November 1, 2019, with its market launch following in March 2020. Key markets for this sporty, four-door model include the UK, China, and the US. So, let's break down the body shop's role. Using laser beam welding, an advanced production machine precisely assembles the tailgate and other critical body components, ensuring seamless integration. This state-of-the-art technology not only enhances the vehicle's structural integrity but also aligns with BMW's commitment to production precision and efficiency. And that's just the start. The entire assembly process incorporates automation, environmental consciousness, and high safety standards to create a vehicle that's sporty, luxurious, and built to last.
At BMW Group Plant Leipzig, the body shop uses advanced robotic systems to ensure precision and speed in building models like the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. An integral part of this process is the FANUC R2000IC/210F robotic arm, a powerful tool for handling heavy components and performing complex spot welding tasks. With a payload of 210 kilograms and a reach of 2,655 millimeters, this 6-axis robot easily handles the demands of assembling larger body components, enabling quick and accurate welding on the production line. Its flexibility allows BMW to mount it at various angles, optimizing space and creating an efficient work envelope. The R2000IC/210FS versatility shines in the body shop, especially in laser beam welding applications. This capability is crucial for tasks like assembling the 2 Series Gran Coupe's tailgate with seamless welds that strengthen the vehicle's structure and provide a sleek, uniform finish. With features suited for both high heat and wet environments, this robot is ideal for automotive manufacturing, where precision and resilience are key. The robot can also adapt to various tasks beyond welding, such as handling and transporting large, heavy panels, making it indispensable in BMW's high-output, high-quality production line. By integrating cutting-edge robotics like the R2000IC/210F, BMW Group Plant Leipzig combines automation with flexibility, producing up to 1,300 vehicles a day and meeting stringent quality and safety standards. This setup not only enhances production volume but also ensures that each BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe meets the brand's high standards for durability and performance. The assembly of the all-new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe at the BMW Group Plant Leipzig combines precision, advanced technology, and a highly automated process to deliver a top-quality product. Here's a closer look at each stage of the assembly process. Body panels and doors. The assembly of body panels and doors is one of the first steps. Robots align and weld panels to ensure a smooth, aerodynamic shape, a feature BMW values for both aesthetic and performance reasons. Robotic arms, such as the FANUC R2000IC/210F, handle heavy components and perform spot welding to secure body components with utmost precision, contributing to structural integrity and the model's sleek appearance. Paint and finish. Once the panels are assembled, the body moves to the paint shop. BMW's automated painting process applies multiple layers of primer, color, and protective coatings. The 2 Series Gran Coupe is available in several unicolor, metallic, and BMW individual finishes, and options include high-gloss black contrast roofing. Dashboard and electronics. Inside the assembly line, the dashboard, featuring BMW's curved display, is precisely installed. Robots and technicians work together to secure electronics and connect wiring systems that power everything from the navigation system to ambient lighting. Seats and trim. The newly designed leather-free seats are installed with attention to ergonomic design, providing comfort for longer drives. Assembly teams then install interior trim pieces, focusing on high-quality finishes that meet BMW's luxury standards. Engine assembly. Engine installation is a crucial part of the assembly process. The plant uses precision robotic systems to mount and secure the engine within the chassis. The top-of-the-range BMW M235 xDrive Gran Coupe includes a 221 kW per 300 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, which is seamlessly integrated and tested to ensure alignment with BMW's performance standards. Drivetrain and transmission. Robots and skilled technicians install the transmission, xDrive system for all-wheel drive models, and other drivetrain components. Each piece is aligned with the engine and secured using high-torque equipment to ensure stability and performance. Electrification components. As part of BMW's commitment to electrification, certain components in the 2 Series lineup incorporate hybrid-ready systems. These include wiring for future electrification options and other components aimed at reducing emissions while enhancing efficiency. Quality control sensors. The plant has implemented advanced AI-driven sensors and diagnostics to monitor assembly quality. Sensors verify alignment, connectivity, and torque application in real time, ensuring each part meets BMW standards. Alignment and calibration. In the final stages, wheel alignment and system calibrations are performed, ensuring that each BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe offers precise handling. Automated systems and human inspectors conduct a battery of tests on each vehicle to guarantee that it meets BMW's high safety and performance standards. Final inspection and road testing. The plant's quality control team performs final visual inspections, then each vehicle undergoes a brief road test simulation to evaluate engine performance, braking, and onboard systems before shipment. The Leipzig plant's highly automated production line enables the production of multiple models and drive options daily. This streamlined process allows BMW to maintain flexibility while ensuring quality and consistency across each model. The new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe embodies a blend of sportiness, elegance, and high-end digitalization. Produced at the BMW Group Plant in Leipzig, this model offers an extended length and slightly increased height compared to its predecessor, with dimensions of 4,546 mm in length and 1,445 mm in height. The updated exterior design features BMW's iconic radiator grille, large lower air intakes, and slim LED headlights with vertical daytime running lights, giving it a dynamic, road-hugging stance. The M235 xDrive variant, with its powerful 300 horsepower four-cylinder engine, accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.9 seconds, making it the top model in the lineup. Inside, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe is fully leather-free as standard, with optional Veganza/Alcantara upholstery for a premium feel. Digital upgrades include the new BMW iDrive system based on Operating System 9, which supports Quick Select, in-car gaming, and multiple digital services. The vehicle also comes with a curved display and enhanced user interfaces, creating a modern, tech-centric ambience. The car's driving experience is enhanced by adaptive M suspension and sport steering, both of which come standard on the M235 xDrive model and are optional for other variants. The BMW 220 Gran Coupe, 220d Gran Coupe, and 218d Gran Coupe feature 48-volt mild hybrid technology, a 7-speed Steptronic transmission, and standard digital driving and parking aids. BMW's extensive driver assistance package includes active cruise control, lane guidance, and options like the Parking Assistant Professional, which enables remote control of parking maneuvers via the My BMW app. With its focus on performance, technology, and sustainable luxury, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe exemplifies BMW's approach to modern, digitally integrated driving while maintaining the brand's signature elegance and sporty handling.